Just wanted to shoot a quick walk around video of my 1995 Z28 that is for sale. Has 67,000 original miles, and the motor is a built 396 LT1 stroker. You can find a little bit more info in the ad, but it has a TPIS 58mm throttle body, ported LT4 intake manifold. It's a GM LT4 intake manifold ported by Lloyd Elliott. It has AFR 210cc heads. I have the Torqhead 24X LSPCM conversion, Torqhead 24X shallow body alternator. It's to clear the tall valve covers. It has a Callies Dragonslayer crank, Callies Compstar rods, CP bullet pistons. It's bored 30 over. Crank stroke is 3.875 inches. It has a Jezel valvetrain. It has Jezel Sportsman Series shaft rockers. I'm also running Morel solid body lifters. They're solid roller link bar lifter. You can check the listing ad for some more part number information on those if you're curious. Overall, the car is very clean. I've taken good care of it. I've owned it for the last almost 11 years, and I bought it stock. I did a little bit of modification to it, and it just spirals out of control from there. So I've got some very, very clean 17 by 9.5 ZR1 wheels. They're from, I believe, like a C4 Collector Edition Corvette. And I have 275/40 R17 square setup on the car. They're a very good tire. It's a Sumitomo HTRZ5. I wasn't pleased with the older Sumitomo, but these have been great. I had them on a C4 Corvette that I owned, and they did a great job. So I bought them for this car too. They're practically brand new. The only miles they have on them are driving from my house to this parking lot. Otherwise, for exhaust, I have Cook's headers and Cook's catless Y-pipe. And also I have a GMMG exhaust with the oval tips, which are very difficult to find. I believe Hawks makes a reproduction right now, but they don't appear to be quite the same. So this is just these are the original GMMG tips with the GMMG exhaust. And it sounds great. I'll start it up here for you in a second. Everything works on this car. The heat is a little lukewarm, it's not perfect. The AC I need to recharge after I put the motor in. I did not reconnect the AC and get it recharged. The brakes are practically new. The motor is very fresh. I think I probably have around 1,000 miles on the motor, maybe slightly less. And it's been running great on a street tune. I haven't done anything crazy with it, just never took it to the dyno. Seat. There's a little bit of wear on the base here. The bolsters are in great shape. The rear seats are in great shape as well. Rarely ever used, of course. It is a manual windows, manual locks car. There's not many power options on this other than AC and cruise control. The seats are also manual seats. I have the older style radio with a cassette tape. I've never swapped it out. I just kind of like the nostalgic look of it and just the general feel and sound of the car. So I've kept it as it is, and obviously that's available to be upgraded by you. A couple other issues inside. I do have a little bit of a dash crack here, possibly salvageable with a little bit of glue to make it look better. And I believe one of the vents has cracked as well. Other than that, it's quite a clean car. And let me start it up here for you. Craigslist, and yes, just look for my contact info there and get a hold of me. Thank you very much.